Look, and this famous rice ni chef, no?
Yeah, mo dyan yung pinaka-crispy sa tanang crisping boneless lechon sa Ormoc.
So guys, I'm here with Mom Nika from Nika.
Yes, Nika.
Yes, Nika from Park and Chill, and today is itong libutan ng mga food stall dagay and we will taste everything. So, are you excited? Because we are so excited. Let's go.
Hello, good evening. We are Daily Cup. We are serving high quality coffee, and we have our bestseller Vietnamese coffee. Vietnamese coffee, double shot ni siya. So, mo ni siya itong first shot. Mo ni itong first shot.
So guys, we are here at the Daily Cup and I'm here with Mom Nika and Mom.
Hi!
So, I have a question guys. Why Daily Cup?
We actually named it Daily Cup because I am a coffee drinker and personally, coffee is like a really savior for me. So when I did not start this business, when we did not start this business yet, so I always buy coffee from local coffee shops here daily. So we named it Daily Cup because like it is like your daily lifesaver.
Also, yeah, I remember those times also when we have this lots of coffee in our office. So a lot of people would visit there and think that, hey, you're more like a coffee shop rather than a consultancy and an events office. So when Jibai told me that, you know, we need to have this kind of business, and I was like, yeah, sure. So we did it, like in just one snap. Park and Chill is not just your usual tambayan here in the city of beautiful people, but we are using Park and Chill as a platform to promote and support the LGU's movement in terms of their projects. So one of our way of supporting the NRO is the no single use of plastics. That's why we're using rice straw all for your drinks. So here's your daily coffee, sir. Vietnamese.
Thank you. So guys, I got my Daily Cup coffee and we're heading to the next food stall. Let's go. Hi Chef, good evening.
Hi, good evening. Maayong gabi, Pilipinas.
So, why Chef Bonac? Ano po meron sa Chef Bonac?
Well, Chef Bonac is kind of my alias.
Okay.
So, wala akong maisip. Well, ayoko, gusto ko naman ng identity na low profile. So, medyo gusto ko kasi kwela.
So what should I expect, Chef, sa pagkain mo dito ngayon?
Well, my food is basically mga kilala na mga food, but gusto ko kasi i-design my food right now yung mga mabilis lang i-serve. Kaya on the go lang siya. Kaya nakita mo, kasi ako mahilig ako sa Tagalog, lafanggero, mahilig kumain. So, lafanggero on the go. So, mabilis lang i-prepare yung mga foods. Dahil ang mga tao ngayon medyo nagmamadali.
So yung niluluto ngayon, Chef, is yung
We have the sisig rice, our bestseller, and also yung shawarma rice. And then our rice is already a taste na with my secret ingredients nilalagay. Yellow rice, well, it's a little bit change. So parang binago ko. Gusto ko, ayoko ng white rice. I mean, parang in-introduce ko sa market as yellow rice.
Chef, di ako makapagitay, Chef, ha? I will try it later.
Yeah. You can have our best shawarma rice. Yeah. It's a must-try product. So it's garnished with vegetables and with my secret white sauce. Thank you so much.
So guys, I have here the sisig, look, and this famous rice ni Chef, no? And we will try guys if kung sila saan eh. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Lami guys, lami. Hi sir.
welcome to Toyz.
Sir, what do you expect sa imong food?
Mong gina-offer nga rin, buffalo wings. Oh,
And also fries, no?
yes. Different flavors, barbecue, sour cream, and cheese.
So, dili siya unlimited, sir, no? Dili siya unlimited.
Only fries.
Only fries?
Yes.
Yes, only fries.
For only 110, good for one person only.
110. Ayos, no? Any other, sir? More than you serve, no?
Dili na, ang amog yung serve yung buffalo wings.
So, nakainit lang niya is na siya only fries.
Yes, na only fries. Kilala.
Bro, tilawi.
Ako, tilawan na.
Oh, tilawi, ha? Okay, honest review. How was it?
Kalami.
Ganahan ko, Okay guys, we're done at the Toyz Wings and we're next at...
To Empoy's Grill.
So, saan minadya?
Barbecue, the usual, not just the usual, the barbecue that we see sa barbecuehan, pero na-enjoy distinctive taste ilaha. That's why pilahan jud kayo ning Empoy's Grill.
Matuta?
Yep,
Let's go.
let's go.
Hi sir!
Hi sir, good evening.
Ngayong gabi eh.
Ngayong gabi eh.
So,
Welcome to Empoy's Grilled and Fried, sir.
yes, yan. So, what do you serve, sir?
Barbecue, we have barbecue and grilled and fried. Sampo lang sir, muli sir, among pinabistseller sir. Only rice na ni siya, only 120 with drinks na siya.
Wow, that's good.
Ang amo sad sa fried na mo sir, mapun na bestseller, usa na ka pork chop, usa ka chicken, only 95 pesos only. Oh, yes. Very good. Ayun na. Punta sa kuan po na mo sir, very kuan kining affordable kay 100 only rice and plus free drinks pagit siya sir. Pork belly kani siya. 100 pesos lang siya. Only rice na plus drinks. Pepsi or Mountain Dew.
Ang masa gidi mo ang combo, sir, no?
Pambasa gina mo. Pero very affordable lang among kuan sa gamit.
Dapat yun, nagad yung bisita doon, sir, to try.
Oo, i-try gina nga mo rin kuan. Lambi ni siya sir, pero barato. Mo na
Yan,
yung pinag-emphasize. Barato nga lamig.
Hello, duha ka buok chicken,
Nanay
and then
chicken,
naanay
oh.
pork chop.
Nanay
and then
lumpia.
Naanay lumpia.
Oo.
Kanya rice.
With drinks.
With drinks pa,
Oh.
95
95 pesos only.
Imagine that. Okay.
Kanami, one belly, 100 pesos only rice plus drinks pagyapon siya. 100 pesos lang.
Kuya, ayaw mo nang gipili si mga nasag.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay guys, next stop na to is natin sa boneless lechon. Lechon, and let's ask ni Kuya if gusto na dili. Hi Kuya.
Hello.
Kuya, kasi na ni dili boneless lechon lang.
Only sir. Sabi na mo namin ato shrimp, bangus, sumay niya. Mahalat diri sir, lechon lang ako.
Lechon lang get. So also mo siya per serving.
Natay kuan sir, natay rice toppings, nasa tay meals. Natay tawag ko game 1, game 2, game 3.
If pwede ko sa kayan eh. Sa kayan eh, for example.
Per kilo sir, depende sa 2 kilo sir, bangon na nato.
Okay. Sige. Thank you guys.
Yeah, mo dyan ni pinaka-crispy sa tanang crisping boneless lechon sa Ormoc. So,
What?
Sir Kevin, ha? Wow.
So what you have there is the boneless lechon of Ormoc City, the crispiest, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ato na kaunang tilawan. Lamian.
With kuan yun, with ha, tinood yun?
Oo, tininood jud ni.
Kaunan, manod may nanay.
Oh, di ba siya po?
Yeah.
Sir, unsa may kalahian ani nganong lahi ra man jud ang timpa?
Give us the real facts about your lechon.
Englisher naman kayo.
So guys, finish with sa boneless lechon, and next we're going to Korea. Sakto ba?
Yes.
Korea.
So we're here now at Anyong Samgyeopsal. This is actually the same branch or the same brand na naa sa Robinson's Ormoc.
Aha.
So ang atong makitan karon is ang ilahang corn dog o ang uban pa na mga baked sushi.
So let's go.
Yeah.
Hala, 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 hala.
You know guys, maurat to. Good evening po. Yung tinitinda po namin dito is yung corn dog, meron po kami kimbap, and then meron po kami big sushi.
So, kimbap? Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
So, muna siya ang bambuchil.
Yes, morning bamboo chill.
Ano mo i-expect sa bambuchil?
Of course, lami.
And can you explain sa product na nasa bambuchil?
So, ang best seller jud aniha kay Mango Graham Shake, but nasad mi chocolate na shake and nasad mi cookies and cream. Then napod mi mga finger foods aniha kanang chicken pops, mojos, then french fries o cheese stick. Then nasad mi siomai and siopaw from Tita Tata. So, money ang Mango Graham sa Bamboo Chill, guys. Ang pinaka-first na Mango Graham sa Ormoc. So, lami kayo ni. So, ayun ninyong tanan.
So, after tayo nagpabugnaw, we are now at the Ramen Boy. So, this time guys, magpainit na sa ta. Yes. Yun no, tingtugnaw ka ta, naka-jacket ko. Kaya tugnaw kayo. So, maghigop na sa sabaw sa Ramen Boy. I don't know if common siya. Japanese style.
That I really don't know, Vince. Kinahanglan dyan ito mga tanan.
Yeah, mga
sweet
tanatan
food dire.
nila. Sige, sige. So, guys, magpainit sa ta. Let's go. So guys, na si Kuya guys na prepare for the ramen, and ang ihang mo guys is the tantan men. Sakto ba? Tantan men. Asa meaning sa tantan men, Kuya? Do you know the meaning of tantan men? Wala na kayo si Kuya guys. No, Google is the answer. Google.
Okay guys, so this is the tantan men. Okay, so this has spicy, creamy, and nutty broth with handmade noodles topped with chili, confused lean ground pork, and of course ajitama egg and green onions.
Good good for cold weather.
Yeah, good for this cold weather, good. As in,
Kuya, pila mo sa tantan men, Kuya?
150 sir.
150. Solid, solid. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm with Sir
Sig.
Sig. Okay, owner siya guys sa Tuslubuwa.
dippin' bubbles.
Different bubble na. So sir, what makes your Tuslubuwa for short unique?
Unique, it's not really unique kasi kini siya is copied from Cebu jud nga authentic na Tuslubuwa. It's unique here in Ormoc kay the Tuslubuwa that has started here in Ormoc was kinda kanang sayop ang pagka mga recipe ba?
Okay.
Yes, like nag-introduce sila with ipon or with atay sa manok. So that the original one or the authentic jud na Tuslubuwa is utok jud sa baboy.
Okay.
And then ang gravy that you just saw earlier is made of kanang gilatan nato ang bakagan. Oh, then ang iyang na-produce ang kanang mantika sauce man na siya niya ato gitimplahan with secret recipe nga gikan jud sa Dulho.
Where's the Dulho dapat?
Dulho and Pasil, mora na sila doon.
Cebu.
Cebu, yes.
Ah,
in
okay,
Cebu.
okay.
Oo, since my wife is from Dulho man, Cebu.
Ah, okay.
So, it was her lolo's recipe actually.
Ah, very nice. No, actually guys, bukas way og kuan kana
Beef. Oo.
like kuslubuwa. No, I've been dreaming nga makatilaw ka soon pero karon makatilaw na gid ko guys. So, mo try ta.
Yes, yes.
Actually guys nakatilaw na siya. Di ko na siya nitilaw. Hi sir, good evening.
Yes, good evening.
This is Blanco Farms.
Yes, we're Blanco Farms. We're a family-owned farm for 4 generations now. We're located in Limon, Capoocan, and we're here selling our range of homemade products as well as our fresh dairy products. We have cow's milk, we have butter, we have cheese. We also have homemade pastries, sausages, and pasta. So for our flavored milk range, right now we have strawberry, melon, plain, chocolate, and blueberry. So we actually have a total of over 12 different flavors which we rotate on a daily basis. So you have something new and interesting to try every time you visit our stall. So for our sausages, we currently have 4 different kinds. So for our sausages, we currently have 5 different kinds of sausages. We have chorizo enamorado, which is kind of sweet and mildly spiced. We have chorizo picante, which is a spicier version, still catered for Filipino tastes. We have chorizo español. This is a sausage that doesn't have any casing. So sa Bisaya pa, chorizong bungkag. It's very good on its own or with fried rice or pasta. We have a smoked Chinese type of sausage, and we also have a spicy version. So that's 5 different sausage types. You can get them at our stall uncooked in ready to cook packaging, or you can try our different suggestions of how to cook them. We serve them with fried rice. We can serve them in sandwiches, and we've also developed a range of pastas. So that will showcase the different flavors of our sausage lineup. So over here, if you have a look, we have the chorizo español in a fried rice form. We also have chorizo picante topping penne, and we also have for the people who want to go meatless, we also have different pasta, a mushroom pasta in a cream sauce, which showcases our own locally made cream, butter, and fresh cheese, quesillo.
You have Facebook page, sir, right? So they can contact
Yes,
you directly.
you can reach us at Blanco Farms Facebook, our Facebook page.